Let's play with ch this time. Today we want to play with the sounds that affect ch. We want to see what becomes to this one. So let's see how it goes. Look, again we have our 6 vowels and we want to see how they affect ch. Let's play. Look here. Big one that doesn't attach. Smaller one that attaches. This one has hat, the other one doesn't. So this one comes at the beginning. This one attaches to another lowercase consonants. Well, we can already see what happens to ch. The big one, the capital one comes here with this one. So we read it like ch. Arch, arch. What about that one? The lowercase consonant with this one, they attach to each other. That makes the sound cha, cha, cha. Let's go for the next one. Ah. Ah, this one comes with the capital one. This one attaches to the lowercase one. First it comes, so first we read this one. The first one is the first sound. The second one is the second sound that we make. Ach, ach, ach. What about this one? First we have ch, and then we have a that attaches to this, so we pronouncing it like cha, cha. The same happens here. This time A wants to play with ch, so it comes here with the capital one, h, h. Continue the pattern, and this one attaches to the lowercase consonants. So it's che, che, h, che, h, che. Same happens here. Och, och, cho, cho. This one comes at the beginning, doesn't attach to that, and comes with the capital one. This one attaches to the lowercase consonant and is the second sound that we make. So it's och, and that one's cho. Same happens with oo, oo. So it's ooch, a little like ouch. Ooch comes at the beginning, comes with the capital one, and the other one attaches to the lowercase consonant. Ooch, chew, ooch, chew. The tricky one, E, that comes in very different looks. At the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. This one attaches. This one attaches from both sides. This one sometimes attaches, sometimes doesn't. Each, chi, each, chi. Let's see what are the practices. So far, you know the pattern. It's easy for you right now, and we are just trying to practice them with the consonants so you will completely learn them better than you know now. So for practice, 1 page for this one, ach, and you know what to do as you write it down. You pronounce it as well. You read it, ach, and you write it down. And another page for cha. 1 for this and 1 for that you always read it out loud as you're writing it down. This way you will completely learn it. You won't ever forget them. And did you pay attention that you are slowly learning both read and write? Well, let's see what happens next. I'm sure you will blink and you can speak in Persian. See you guys next session. Don't forget to subscribe and see all of you. Bye.